All right, so we have a word problem here. This word problem is very similar to question number 5. So if you follow along, you should be able to answer question number 5. All right, here we go. Teresa wants to buy a pair of boots. She goes to the mall and sees Shoe Carnival has the boots on sale for $25 off of the original price. She is ready to purchase the boots when Jasmine informs Teresa that next door, Payless has the same boots on sale for 40% off the original price. For what original price will these discounts be equal, if ever? Explain your reasoning. All right, so after reading that problem, I encourage you guys to kind of go back when you're dealing with word problems. Go back and reread. Okay, you read through once, go back, read through again, and start kind of highlighting, pulling out keywords, writing notes off to the side to kind of help you figure out what you're going to try to do to answer this problem. All right, so I'm going to start reading again. Teresa wants to buy a pair of boots. She goes to the mall and sees that Shoe Carnival, has the boots on sale for $25 off of the original price. So basically what that means is if the shoes are going to cost $100, Teresa only has to buy the shoes for $75, so $25 off of the original price. She's ready to purchase the boots when Jasmine informs Teresa that next door, Payless has the same boots on sale for 40% off the original price. If you want to think in terms of real worlds, when someone says 40% off the original price, she's essentially paying only 60%. And we'll talk about how to get that answer in just a little bit. All right, so we've highlighted the key points, okay? The next step here is to figure out, well, what are they asking us? What's our question that we're trying to answer? Okay, and normally our question will most likely be in the last statement of the word problem. So here it says, for what original price will the discounts be equal? So we want to know, what is the original price for the discounts to be equal? Meaning, what does the price of the boots have to be in order for her to pay the same discounted amount at Shoeless and at Payless? Okay, so that's what we're going to figure out. All right, so now that I know that I have to find the original price for the discounts to be equal, my next step is going to be figuring out what will be my variable. Well, I know that what I'm trying to find is the original price. Okay, so X here is going to be original price. Okay, and my goal here is just to find what is the original price of the boots so that Teresa can pay the same amount no matter which store she chooses. Okay, all right, so at Shoe Carnival, we know that it's $25 off of the original. Okay, so in order to represent that in my equation, I'm going to take my original price and it's $25 off of that. Okay, my original price minus my $25 off will give me my cost of my boots. Okay, but I need to know, when will the two stores be equal? Okay, so I'm going to set this expression right here, X minus 25, equal to the other store because I want to know when they're equal. Okay, when are my discounts going to be equal? Okay, when I'm talking about Payless, Payless here is 40% off the original price. Okay, so if your original price represents 100% and you're getting 40% off of the 100%, you're left with 60% that Teresa will have to pay. Okay, 60% of the original price. So here that's going to be 0.60 times the original price. All right, so now that we have our equation set up, all we really have to do is solve it. All right, so we are going to start solving here. It's like a two-step equation. We need to get all of our variables on the same side, so I'm going to go ahead and subtract x here on both sides. All right, I'm going to be left with negative 25 equals a negative 0.40x. Then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 0.4. And that's going to cancel. So both the negatives are going to cancel here. And 25 divided by 0.4 is going to give me x is equal to 62.50. All right, so what does 62.5 mean? It essentially means that the cost of the boots, okay, the original cost of the boots would have to be $62.50 in order for Teresa to pay the same at both stores. By solving our equation, getting our answer, we've now answered this question right here. What is the original price for the discounts to be equal? And we just said $62.50. And we're done. I encourage you to rewatch the video, come in for help, try it on your own. Definitely make sure that you are following step by step. Question number 5 is very similar, but keep in mind it's worded a little bit differently.